to become the field of that which you value, and that which you see the innate sacredness, it then automatically pulls to you from the non-linear, See? How to become enlightened is to transcend the intellect and the mind. Well, that's the linear world. So you have to move to the non-linear. So I'm telling you the shortcut. You don't have to work through all the fallacies of the mind. That'll take you another 40, 50, 100 years and 36 more incarnations to move beyond that. That's the slow way. That's the slow way. It doesn't work too well. No. You bypass the whole phenomena. You become that which you know is an aspect of divinity. The aspects of divinity are infinite mercy, infinite love, patience, gentleness, beauty, the appreciation of all those qualities, to see the sacredness of life, that all life is equally sacred, whether it's a bird tapping to you, trying to establish some kind of a contact, whether it's a mother with children, it's all the same divinity, the same sacredness of life. To hold the sacredness and the beauty of life and the sacredness are very entwined. You see them almost simultaneously. And because they are qualities of divinity, they shine forth of their own. There's no point to look for the beauty of what is there. You don't even try it, because everything will look ugly. No, you drive it away by desiring it. What you do is you see its sacredness, and you value it because of its sacredness. You see the sacredness of all that exists. When you see it, it is then hard to talk or function. So I better stop talking about it, because it wipes you out. It wipes you out.